Today's topics: placing the floor, mounting the ladder, and planning for the vet.
Don't forget to subscribe and like, and don't be shy, leave comments, please. Good morning. So today,
Day 21.
painted the studs, and I'm gonna glue them to the van, and then I need to go buy some more foam. I'm gonna go to the store, pick up a new vacuum cleaner because mine broke. It doesn't suck anymore, so that sucks. Maybe I'm gonna touch this. Oh, sorry. This here for the ladder, so I can install it and take on the roof hatches and ventilation, and perhaps treat the rust on the roof, but that's not today. So I'm done with the studs on the floor. I've decided that this should be enough. I have along the walls, I have in the middle, and the reason I have the studs is that I can touch the floor. I'm gonna put some more XPS here, and I'm saving the stairs here, and the back I'm not sure what I'm gonna do about, but I'm gonna save it because I think I need to treat some rust under this plastic part, but I'm gonna do that later. Morning.
Day 22.
Today I'm hoping to put down some of the floor. I just have to cut some of this isolation and fill the rest of the spots that are missing. This looks like a mess. Learn by doing. This is the front part of the floor, and it's quite nasty, dirty. So I'm gonna wash it and let it dry in the sun. It's a hot day today. I'm washing the floor. The last piece is huge, so I decided I'm going to take it apart, since I don't think I have electricity in there. I'm gonna use my handy saw. Well, this piece of floor is much too heavy for me to carry, so I'm thinking I'm gonna try to cut it off here maybe, and then I'll be able to carry it, I think. Yeah, let's try that. Oh, yes. I'm exhausted, but it's done. There are 2 parts now. Okay, so it's kind of windy and the clouds are coming out. I don't know if you can see, and it feels like it's gonna rain any moment. I vacuumed the van, and I'm thinking that maybe, if I'm really lucky, I could put the rest of the spray foam on and just throw on the floors and let it dry in the van. Is that lazy? Am I gonna regret that? I don't know. It's just me being a bit restless and really wanna trying this van out this summer. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. It's a good plan. I hope it's a good plan. Yeah, I hope. Okay, so I'm gonna put up the ladder hopefully. I measured everything and now I'm gonna drill some holes. I think I made it. I think that's gonna work. Yeah. Some rust treatment.
Day 23.
So the holes are not really in sync with these. So I'm gonna drill them a bit. Easy peasy! Now it's just the lower part left, and I'm extremely proud. Seriously, I'm so proud. So proud. This is so cool, and I did it myself. I'm gonna check out what's inside the vent boxes and see if I actually have everything I need to work with to mount the vents. One is supposed to be with a fan and one is without. So this one is the one with the fan. And this is the one without the fan. I'm gonna read some instructions. I'll be right back. It seems straightforward. To install the tole vent, a roof thickness of 25 to 60 millimeters is required. So I'm just gonna use this 25 centimeter stud as a frame underneath, so I'm gonna have to treat some more studs, and the opening has to be 402 millimeters. That's quite exact. So I don't know if I'm gonna use the angle grinder or the is it called zigsaw? No, jigsaw. No. I need to find out what it's called in English. Place an acid-free sealing material that sticks to the edge of the upper frame. Okay, so basically I need to do this a day when it's not raining, and so that it can dry overnight. And yeah, look at this. This is perfect. So my plan is that I'll use these studs here in the lining, and they are perfect size. This is gonna be so good. Easy peasy.
In the next episode, I make another hole in my van, fill some holes in the floor, and get a vinyl carpet.